Hello my friends, a quick update about collision accident in LaGuardia Airport. Let's watch this video. So it was a collision with a fire truck. In my last video I told about probably fuel truck. No, it was a fire truck. Well, actually if we check out the video, it was an entire fire crew team, but just one vehicle, a single truck, was crossing the runway 04 via taxiway Delta. Here the truck was turning, flashing kind of bright, but pilots, this threat appeared just in front of them. They had a short time for reaction, and the airplane is actually not that steerable compared to the car. In car you may maneuver very rapidly, but on airplane it's not usually like that. So it was a collision. And yeah, it was an issue of the air traffic controller again, and now it is vivid with a new update. Actually, an air traffic controller told about it himself, that he messed up, and also it was the failure of the truck driver, this particular one. I wonder what the rest of the fire team was waiting and just a single truck went to the runway. Maybe it was miscoordination also within this fire team. I wonder what car was responsible for communication with air traffic controller, with the tower guy. If it was not the first car, well, it's also a mess up. Here's the front part of the airplane. Unfortunately, both pilots, as I already mentioned before, lost their lives. And we have more detailed video of the air traffic control communication published by VAS Aviation. Let's watch it. I'm shouting out to this channel, and you may check out the link for original video in the video description below. VAS Aviation is also on Twitter, fantastic channel I recommend to watch, but I want to skip a little to the most hot part.
Truck 1 and company LaGuardia Tower requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
So this is the airplane approaching runway 04, and we heard the communication with the fire truck and air traffic controller of the tower.
Truck 1 and company cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and company crossing 4 at Delta.
Clearance received. So truck 1 and company it means lots of the other vehicles. I forgot to mention it in my previous video, but anyways, the air traffic controller gave the clearance to the vehicle to cross.
Frontier 4195 to stop there, please.
And again, Frontier, other aircraft, warning for stop. Stop somewhere in a taxiway, probably before taxiway Alpha.
Stop, truck 1, stop.
Yeah, again, this is miscommunication or misunderstanding by fire truck, because truck 1 was spelled very rapidly, and since the stop command was told to the previous traffic, truck 1 anticipated, I think, that it was told to the aircraft, not to the truck. And later on, just after some time, ATC corrected himself.
Yeah, 2384 is cleared in lane 8 for 41.
2384, proceed to ramp.
So a little bit deflection, yeah, of the air traffic controller, so he called truck as he thought he called the truck to stop, but truck didn't understand that. There was no read back from the truck, because there should be read back like in usual air traffic communication. It doesn't matter if it is a truck, fire truck, or the airplane, there should be a confirmation of the clearance.
Sorry, truck 1.
And plane landed, but the air traffic controller saw those flashing lights, and the fire team was moving. They were trying to cross the runway.
Stop, truck 1, stop. Stop, truck 1, stop.
But it was too late. Yeah, so one truck went on the runway, the other team was behind, and it was a very bad situational awareness from truck driver. They didn't see the plane coming for some of the reason, but the plane was very, very close, and they not only should check the skies that there is no one on approach, but also the entire runway, that it is free from the other vehicles or the aircraft. And that brought the disaster that happened. Poor ATC communication, misunderstanding, and the fire truck awareness, driver awareness. It's my take, guys, just my take, but I think I'm correct here.
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2.
And we already know what happened next.
Field is shut down, sir.
It is interesting that the same air traffic controller continued his duty after that accident happened, so probably there was no one to replace him immediately. I wonder about the structure of the air traffic control in the United States of America, and in particular airport of LaGuardia. I think that the load on them is pretty much dramatic. They're talking all the time. Well, VAS Aviation published also one more video just not long time ago, from the single emergency to LaGuardia tragedy, what happened before the crash. I haven't watched this one yet, but I'm just recording the video from what we already obtained and what is actually visible. But I may say that ATC is stressed. At some of the point they might reach this level of stress, then you have the tunnel vision, then you don't see the situation from different perspectives, like your situational awareness is not that big, as you are more, I wouldn't say relaxed, but you have proper stress level. If it is too much high, and I see that they're talking all the time, and they have to put attention on multiple of the things there, it is not okay. I mean, the system should be changed, I think, or at least checked and investigated why it happened. As for me, this is a freaking stressful job, and I wonder if that guy had the backup by the time, or was he alone controlling everything?
Yeah, I know I was here. I tried to reach out to my stuff, and we were dealing with an emergency earlier, and I messed up.
He said it himself, so he messed up. They were dealing with emergency. I cannot imagine this level of stress, and he still continued to perform his duty. Yeah, it was his mistake, but the system, the system caused this mistake, not just this particular air traffic controller. But it should be all revised, I think. And investigation, I hope it will show flaws of the system, because this airport is freaking busy for the human resources they have in the tower. At least that night, I believe it was not enough to control traffic properly. Well, guys, it's all what I want to say. See you around. Ciao.